Hey guys, welcome to Shopify tutorial in which I'm showing you how you can connect your Shopify with eBay to find winning products and to sell your products as well. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your Shopify store and you can log in to your admin, or if you don't have a store in Shopify, you can create one very easily using your Google account or using your email address. So once you have created an account on Shopify or you log into your Shopify admin, this is where you will get. Now, once you have an account on Shopify, you will also require an account on eBay because we're connecting Shopify with eBay. So you can go to ebay.com and you can sign up using your email address or Google account. Okay, now make sure that you have a seller's account on eBay because we are trying to sell products and get products from eBay to our Shopify. We want to create a listing and we want to find cheap products, and we can also dropship using this method. Let's connect Shopify with eBay. For what I will do is I will just simply go to my Shopify admin, and here we are going to go to settings at the bottom left. So once we click on settings, here we have our sales channel. So here we have our apps and sales channel. You can see I'm going to click on it, and now I will click on Shopify App Store because we need to go to the App Store to find the eBay integration. So this is our Shopify App Store with thousands of applications available for us to upgrade our store. Here what you need to do is search for eBay. Once you search for it, you will get different integrations. So here we have our eBay integration and Sim Professional Importer for eBay, and there is a few of the others. So even if the eBay integration is directly not available, you will be getting a third app that will integrate your Shopify with eBay. So what I will do is I will simply go with this one, which is the Professional Importer for eBay. It has a free plan available. Some of these apps are going to be paid. Some of these are going to be free. So I'm going to go with this one, which is the Professional Importer for eBay. Let's see what are the different options we are getting with this app. So if I scroll down a little bit, you can see we will getting a migrate your eBay listings on Shopify and import Shopify inventory seamlessly, effortlessly import products in bulk from eBay, including handling or listings. Achieve real-time synchronization of inventory, prices, and even title description. Customizable features like price markup, import category, description template. Dedicated support for custom import, export requirements as per client needs. So this one is actually pretty good. I'm just going to click on install. So we're going to click on install app. And here we have our eBay importer ready. This is actually very easy to use application, and now you can see we have our dashboard products, eBay account settings, and more. So once this integration is added, you have this tool or app available. We will simply go to the eBay account. You can see we have this option here, and this is where I will enter and log in into my eBay account. So once you log into your eBay account, this is what it will look like. Now I can simply create listings and add these products to my Shopify. That's how easy it is. Once you add your products, let me actually take you back to our integration. So here we are, and now once you have linked your eBay account, you will be able to manage products. So we have the manage product option that will allow me not to only add different products to my list, but also manage them. So this integration is going to be very useful, and it will help us save a lot of time and directly add products from eBay to Shopify. So if you were a seller on eBay, or if you had just a Shopify account and you wanted to get the products from eBay, then this video is for you. Once you log into your eBay account, also keep in mind that we can directly create listing on eBay too. And we can also add the manual products on Shopify. So it's not like that once you have added the integration, you can only add products from eBay, but you can always add the manual products, and you can also get the products from eBay. It depends on how well you manage your store. Maybe you can create some collections, different collections, and you can go to drop shipping. And it also depends if you create the product yourself or you do the drop shipping. With this integration, the drop shipping is going to be more efficient, and you will be able to actually create a drop shipping business in no time and build something with good high quality products. When it comes to eBay, there are a lot of different products available in different niches, so let me show you how you can add products to your listings. So let's go to fashion here, and in fashion I'm going to go with women's clothing because that's the store we have on Shopify. So here we have different types. You can see there are a lot of types of products available, dresses, tops. So I'm just going to go with the dresses here. There you go, and now I can even browse with categories with dresses. I have some different sizes of dresses and everything, so I will just find the product that I like, and you can see the product prices are really cheap, and then the free shipping option is available too. So I like maybe this one. So what I will do, I will select the product from here, and then you will click on add to listing. This will be added to your listing once you have a seller's account. Once you add this product to your listing, this will automatically be added to your products right here within your integration, and then you can also manage it, and you can add these and import or export these products very easily. It also has a pricing plan. Free plan is available that will allow you to add 5 items, but if you want to go for more, then you can actually buy the bronze, which is for just $20 per month. There is a silver plan for $30 per month and gold for $60 per month. All of these plans are actually pretty cheap, and you will be able to add a lot of products to your store, and you will also be able to manage your store better and create a store that will sell and help you make a lot of money. Once the products are added and the integration is added, you can always accept the integration by going to settings, and within your settings, if I take you back to the sales and apps, here you can see you have your integration available, and with this integration I will be able to simply get details and we can open this app anytime. And now I can also auto sync my products, and I can list products from eBay to Shopify. Make sure that you have a seller's account on eBay. And now I can also auto sync my products, and I can list products from eBay to Shopify, but make sure that you have a seller's account on eBay. So I hope you liked this video, and now you know how we can connect and integrate Shopify.com with eBay.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss any useful tutorials. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was really useful for you. Have great sellings!